Hey guys, Mitch Woods here, and I'm doing a bike check. First of all, it's a heavier Haro F3 2009. I wanted a heavier bike because it'd be easier to do tricks with a lighter bike, so I'm customizing it soon. Well, I already started, but yeah, it's getting lighter every day. Alright, start out Haro F3 forks, blue Kenda tire, 48 spokes, no name hub, Weinman rim, single walled, Haro F3 frame, Haro F3 bars, which are actually pretty light, the Kink V2 stem, looking all sexy like. Okay, we got the Odyssey slick cable. Yeah, awesome random breed company name. I'm rocking the 25-9 Haro sprocket, Haro cranks. Gotta have the Animal Hamilton pedals in blue. I have the Odyssey hazard light, happens to be triple walled, and an Odyssey hub. And I'm rocking the clear Odyssey brake pads, work a lot better than regular brake pads. And this is how it sounds. Alright guys, that's my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, favorite this, like it, whatever. Tell me what you think. Yeah. Ciao.